Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In this video, you're going to learn how to make this beautiful fascinator from an old bag. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for making this project. I have a feathers here, a needle and threads, my UHU, scissors, a chalk, fabric, this shining fabric, boning. I already wrapped the boning. Then my tiny wire, which is the millennium wire. Then an old bag. An old bag. I don't really know which style to do yet, but as time goes on, the inspiration will come and I will show you what I was able to get from it. I've been able to cut it out like so. One part is done already. See the inner side of it. So let me think of which design to use this to make now. You can see after cutting a rectangular shape, I cut it long, then I just cut out of here. There's no particular measurement actually. I just kind of shaping the middle so that I can place it like so. Okay, so this is what I want. Now this edge, I'm going to make sure I trim it off so that it can be round. It can be curved round. I will also trim here so it can be curved. Then I will just go ahead and wrap it with my fabric and get back to you. Because the bag is kind of too thick and it's peeling off, so as I was gluing it, it was coming off, so I decided to remove the back side of the bag. So I'm using this inner fabric, inner mark, they call it marco, that is in the middle of the bag. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'll just apply my glue directly here right now, then stick the fabric to it directly. So with this, I'm good to go. I want to welcome you all once more to this channel. To those who have subscribed so far, I want to say a very big thank you to you. And to those who haven't done that, please do that so that you'll be getting more creative videos from us. We pray that we will always satisfy you. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So I'll just cut it out right now. While cutting, I will ensure that I leave little inch, like half an inch, that I will use to fold it down like this. Okay, you can see I'm done with it. I finished wrapping it, both inside and the outer parts. Can you see that? So all I'm going to do now is just to fold it like this. Okay, as you can see it, you see the shape, like a cone shape. Okay, so I'm just going to stitch from here to this place. I'll just stitch it now.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Stitch from here to this place, from here to this place. So I'm just gonna try to fix this embossing. Okay, so let me add some glue at the edge here, then I'll just push it in from this place like so. Okay, I mean I'll still stitch it, so let me just stitch it right there. You see, because I'm using a contrasting thread, I don't have this color of thread right now, and this thing is very urgent. So there's a way I'm going to do it so it will not show out. Okay, so now I stitch it there, so I'll just kind of tie it inside here like so. Thereafter, I'll just bring this one down here like so. tack it here, then I'll tack it here as well.
This is Ahviworld.
Here is the outcome so far. Even as I'm making it, some persons are laughing, but I know that at the end of the day, it's going to come out very nice. That's the work of a creative mind. So let me just complete it. I'm done with it. Wow, is this not amazing? You can see it. Let me just wear it on my hair right now and show it to you, okay? Yay, I'm done with it. Wow, this is amazing. This is unprecedented. Can you imagine that? Out of nothing, out of a waste, I came up with this beautiful fascinator. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. Please, if you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that and turn on the notification bell so you can always get notified anytime we upload video. Stay tuned. I remain Ahviworld.